I hold my speed square up to it. Ooh. But I'm gonna show you 2 easy ways to gain leverage to easily twist that stud back into square. I'm here on this top secret project, and whenever you're working with studs that are longer than 8 feet, what you'll notice is quite often, well, they ain't straight. They're torqued, they're twisted. They're just generally forked. I've got it square at the top, but as I come down to the bottom, I hold my speed square up to it. Ooh, you can see, well, she's twisted. It's twisted. They are twisted. So what we need to do is we need to twist this stud at the bottom back into its perpendicular position. Now, if I just try to do that with my hands, even though I'm super strong, that's pretty difficult. But I'm gonna show you 2 easy ways to gain leverage to easily twist that stud back into square. So the first way is pretty simple, and you probably already have the tools you need to do it. All you need is a drill and a screw. This is proprietary, don't copy that. This is my own invention, patent pending. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a screw in near the bottom. Take my hammer, with a little leverage, just twist, boom. Now you can screw and fasten that in. But there's another way, and it's arguably even easier than that. If you have a clamp, all you have to do, a couple squeezes, and just a gentle twist. And as you can see, she's all squared up. Boom, throw my screws in. There you have it, folks. Quick physics lesson. You're saying, this guy, wait a minute, he's not a framer, he's not a carpenter. Well, that's okay. Michael Jordan's not a farmer, and his steakhouse was amazing, so take my word for it. I'm a genius.